Hey guys, it's your girl Shelby from Shelby's Cuisine. Today I'm going to show you guys how I make my conch fritters, okay? It's going to be delicious and fast. Okay, now let me show you guys what I have for you. Okay, as you can see, I have my flour, okay? And here I have my water. What I did, I mixed it with salt and Maggi. Let me show you guys in case, okay? So, and I have all my vegetables. Okay, and I have my onion and hot pepper. Okay, over here, let me show you guys my conch. You see, it's already cooked. Guys, before you make your conch fritters, guys, you have to cook your conch because it's so hard to chew on. Okay, so that's what I did. Just go ahead and then cook my head. Okay, so what I'm going to do, guys, I'm going to show you guys how I mix up my flour. Okay, first I'm going to add my onion. Okay, and also I'm going to add all my vegetables. Okay, before I add my water, that's what I'm just going to add all my stuff. Okay, now I'm adding some black pepper. Okay, ginger powder. Okay, and thyme powder. Okay, Italian seasoning. Okay, and onion powder. Okay, and next I'm going to add, since I already have little salt in my water, I'm going to add a little bit of this one, garlic salt, not too much. Okay, pepper flakes. Okay, and also I'm going to have, of course, my basil. Okay, not too much, just a little bit. And also, guys, I have to have my hot pepper. Okay, so just a little tiny, not too much. Afterward, I'm gonna wash my hand. And I already added some my conch when I was cooking it, so I don't need too much. I have to wash my hand, guys. Okay. Okay. Alright guys, next what I'm going to do, I'm going to start adding my water. You have to keep going, guys, so everything can mix up. And then after that, I'm going to add my conch. I don't need it to be, soft, too soft. Okay, guys, I'm going to finish that up. And then when we come back, we'll add the conch, okay? Come back. Okay, guys, now it's time. You see, I got my conch out. Now it's time to add them. Okay. Okay, what I'm going to do, guys, I have a little bit of baking soda because I don't want to put too much because I don't want my fritters to come out puffy. Okay, so that's why I don't need too much. Okay guys, when we come back, we're gonna start cooking. Okay, come back. Okay guys, now let's start cooking. Okay, what I'm going to do, guys, I'm going to use this little scoop so I can just go ahead and then make my fritters look very nice. Okay. Okay, like that. Okay. Guys, for me to get that conch, I have to drove down all the way down Miami, okay, to get my conch. Okay, so it's very hard now to get conch. I got myself a whole bunch of a big box, yes, because I don't have to go look for it anymore. Okay, so if you're looking for conch, guys, just go down Miami and then you'll find some. That's what I did. Okay. Alright. Now what I'm going to do, that guys, I'm going to let them cook. Okay, and then when we come back, we'll flip them over. Okay, come back. Alright guys, now let me show you what's going on. You see, as you can see, they're getting ready to come out. Okay, they're almost ready. What I'm going to do, I'm going to just give them like 5 more minutes, and then when we come back, we'll get them out. Okay, come back. Okay guys, now it's time to get them out. Okay, see that? I'm using that napkin, guys, so the oil can just stay in the paper. Okay, all right, so that's the main reason I'm using the paper. Okay, now I'm going to add some more. Okay, I'm going to do the same thing I did before. Okay guys, I'm going to finish that up. When we come back, we'll check on everything. Okay, come back. Okay guys, now I'm going to show you everything's almost ready. Now I'm going to show you guys how I'm gonna make my special sauce for my fritters. Okay, let me show you guys. Okay, as you can see, I have my mustard. Okay, here's what I'm going to do, guys. The same sauce that I boiled my conch, I'm going to use some of it. Okay, for my sauce. Okay, now I'm going to add some mustard. Okay, and pepper flakes. Okay, for spice. Okay, now I'm going to add some sauce, not too much. Okay, let me mix it. Okay, you see that, guys? Okay, very easy. Okay, you see that? Let me show you. You see? Okay, so I'm going to finish it up, and then when we come back, we'll fix our plate. Okay, come back. Okay guys, now it's time to show you guys my conch fritters. Okay, I already started my plate. Okay, let me show you. Okay, as you can see, so what I'm going to do next, I'm going to add my sauce. Okay, okay, okay guys, as I mentioned before, guys, a very simple recipe. Okay, okay, that's it. What I'm going to do now, I'm going to add a little Italian seasoning, not too much, on my dressing everywhere. Okay, all right guys, that's it. There you have it. Okay, very easy and simple. Okay, all right guys, if you like this video, okay, don't forget to subscribe, and whenever you want to try it, Just go for it, okay? It's very easy and simple, okay? Enjoy and have a wonderful day. Bye.